Hello, in this video I want to show you how to register your Kindle device on Amazon Kindle Touch 11. And to do this, first we'll need to click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen, go for the settings, your account, and right here you can create new Amazon account if you don't have one. If you have it, then select use existing Amazon account. Now enter your credentials. I'm gonna do it off screen. And if your credentials were correct, click on register, and as you can see, my device is now registered for my username. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.